Thank you for joining me. Now, the question here says we find x, y, and z. Now, for us to find the value of y, I think it is first easy for us to find the value of the value of y, because this 98 is simply angle at circumference. With reference to these 2 points now, these 2 points, you can see that this angle goes to the circumference to make angle 98, while another 2 lines from the same point comes to the center to make angle y on this side. Please, not 98 and x, but y. So it has to be 98 and the other side, not exactly the opposite side, but the other side. So 98 has this angle y at the center. So we cannot take the theorem that angle at center is twice that at the circumference. So we can simply say angle y now, which is at the center, is twice that at the circumference, which is 98. So that's the theorem, that angle at center y is equal to twice that at the circumference, 98. And that will give us the value of y as 196 degree. Then now we can get angle x now after that, because if you look at this point, this is a point here which is the center of the circle. This full angle here forming a circle, this full angle at the point is 360. Sum of angle at the point is 360. So if we have y as 196, then x will be equal to 360 minus 196, because total sum of angle at the point is 360. So if y is already 196, then x will simply be 360 minus 196, so that we can get the value of x from there. And from there, we'll have x is equal to 360 minus 196 is 164 degrees. So the value of x is 164 degrees. Then finally, we need to find the value of angle z. Now, I want to believe, if you look at this reference point 2, these 2 lines come to this circumference here to form angle z, and then these 2 lines go to the center to form angle x. So just like I said, 98 is on the other side to have angle y at the center. In the same way, angle z will be on the other side to have angle x at the center. So this angle z has this angle x at the center, just as 98 has y at the center. Hope you are getting the center rule now. Angle at circumference and angle at center. So for us to get the value of z, we are simply going to say that angle at center is twice that at the circumference. So that means 2 times the one at the circumference, which is z now. Take note of that. So twice the one at the circumference, which is twice z, is equal to the one at the center, which is x. And the value of x is 164 degrees. So now, for us to get the value of z, we simply divide both sides by 2. So angle z will now be equal to, because 2 has cancelled 2, angle z will now be equal to 164 divided by 2 will give us 82 degrees. So the value of angle z is 82 degrees. So we now have the 3 angles. We have angle x as 164, angle y as 196, and angle z as 82 degrees. And this gives us the final solution. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos. Thank you.